is a 1/4 inch 42-piece socket set from Beta. The tools are firmly held inside of a sturdy plastic case that is locked with a metal latch. In the set you have 13 hexagon sockets, 4 Allen keys, 18 bits, 2 extension bars 50mm and 100mm, a universal joint, a bit holder, a sliding T-style wrench handle, a screwdriver-style wrench handle, and a 48-teeth reversible ratchet. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over 600,000 items and get everything you want. You need it, we have it.